Sketch Zone 1. Monthly video, April 2024. Excavation and transportation. Excavation. 8A, Sub-Zone 3 are ongoing, and this month 15,000 metric tons of contaminated soil has been excavated from this location. Contaminated soil is being transported and mixed with the wet oil lakes at 8A, Sub-Zone 3. Sub-Zone 5 are ongoing, and this month 25,000 metric tons of contaminated soil has been excavated from this location. 15,000 tons of contaminated soil has been transported from 8A, Sub-Zone 5 to the treatment area. In 8D, Sub-Zone 1 are ongoing, and this month 30,000 metric tons of contaminated soil has been excavated from this location. 25,000 tons of contaminated soil has been transported from 8D, Sub-Zone 1 to the treatment area. This month 90,000 metric tons of contaminated soil have been excavated. Cumulative till date, 1,970,000 metric tons of contaminated soil have been excavated. Transportation. This month 110,000 metric tons have been transported to treatment center. Cumulative till date, 1,860,000 metric tons have been transported to treatment center. Treatment area. Screening, pulverizing, and placing. 110,000 metric tons have been screened, pulverized, and placed on the treatment pads. Cumulative till date, 1,680,000 metric tons have been screened, pulverized, and placed on the treatment pads. Remediation. This month, 531,000 tons of contaminated soil were tilled and irrigated. Ten baseline samples, 42 IPT, and 18 verification treatment samples were taken. In total, 70 samples were taken, which also includes the samples for progress monitoring and QA/QC. 135,000 tons have achieved the RTC through bioremediation. Overall, 1,130,000 tons of contaminated soil have been completely remediated through bioremediation. Soil washing plant. This month, we have achieved the RTC for the first batch of soil treated through soil washing. The latest lab reports show that the TPH of the treated soil has been reduced to 0.36%. An additional 9,000 tons have been remediated through soil washing plant. Landfill. The following items have been completed: GCL and HDPE for base and side slopes, geotextile separator and filter for base, GDL for slopes, sand protection layers 25 cm and 15 cm for base plus 20 cm for slopes, 30 cm gravel for base, electrical resistivity testing, leachate pipes and risers, external and internal ramp, anchor trench backfilling, excavation for open channel.
Hello, my name is Athanasios Lingris and I'm a project manager for KO International Consultants and responsible for the design of the landfill. Today I'm here for the final inspection of the infilling portion. Today we have reached an important milestone, which is the completion of internal works. As we can see, the installation works and access ramp have been completed as per our design and CQA plan. From this point on, and as per the final inspection, the infilling process can initiate. Following today's inspection, a verification report will be submitted with supporting documents. Thank you.
The following items are in progress: concrete work for open channel, light poles foundations, installation of light poles,